Hi there, it's Alistair here from the Havilland Aircraft Museum. Now I am the curator of the museum, as we've seen in previous posts, but I'm talking to you today as an aircraft restorer as well, because this is how I started at the museum. And this is what we do at the museum. A lot of places restore their aeroplanes away from the public gaze. We don't. We restore aeroplanes before your very eyes. And it's one of the things that makes us special as a museum. We restore aeroplanes where the public can see them. We restore them here, over here, in there, all over there, not forgetting here, down here, and of course in here. So this is just basically a great big thank you to all of our restoration volunteers here at the De Havilland Aircraft Museum. We know you come along and do it because you enjoy it, because it's fun and everything else, yes, but by doing what you do, you make us who we are. We couldn't be the museum we are without all your efforts. So every one of you, whoever you are, wherever you are at the moment, hope you're staying safe. Thank you very much for doing what you do. We can't wait to welcome you all back to the museum. We can all get cracking on our projects once again, which is what we're all about. So stay safe, stay tuned, keep listening to these posts, spread them around, tell other people about us, tell other people about what we do. Thanks for what you've done so far. See you again shortly.
Hear, hear.